And what's your name?
D2.
What's your name?
D2.
Know your name.
I'm Lincoln and I'm D2.
And you're 2 years old. That was good. And this is Maxwell. He's 9 months-ish. And we just bought another house.
Yeah, we did.
This is our third time. The first time was before Sawyer was born. We bought our first house and fixed it up and really liked doing it and made some money. And then we bought another one when Lincoln was just a baby. And now this is our third one. We're ready to fix it up again.
So we hope you'll follow along. We plan on uploading one video a week of what we've been working on in the house and then also what else we've been up to as a family. So Sawyer, what's your favorite part about working on the houses?
Tearing out the kitchen. Yeah. Every.
That's your favorite part too, Lincoln?
You guys like poking holes in walls with hammers? Making messes?
What's your favorite tool to use, Sawyer?
Hammers.
You like the hammer? What about you, Link?
I like hammers.
You guys like to break stuff, huh?
Yep.
Well, this is our family, and we hope you'll follow along with us. Bye!
Bye-bye!
Say bye, Max.
Hi.
Bye! Look, guys, Daddy caught a fish. Look. Oh, shoot, I didn't get that. Do it again. I didn't catch him running away. Do it again.
Here, he's gonna kiss you. Yeah, he's gonna kiss you. It's called a catfish. That's what it's called.
Do you want to touch him, Sawyer?
No. He does have spiky parts on him, though.
You're just going to let him go?
Yeah.